In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple yet effective guide on how to manipulate text inside a Microsoft Word document. Whether you're crafting a report, typing out a school project, or just putting together some notes, moving text around efficiently can streamline your workflow significantly. So let's get started on this quick and easy guide. First things first, begin by locating the Microsoft Word document you wish to edit. Open it up, and you should have your text ready. If you've got several paragraphs, lists, or any amount of text, you're in the perfect spot to learn these handy techniques. The first method I'm introducing today is the drag and drop method. It is a straightforward approach and works wonders, especially when you want to relocate text within the same document. Start by selecting the specific piece of text or a word that you'd like to move. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text. This will highlight it. Once you have your text selected, press and hold down the left mouse button and simply drag the text to where you want it placed. When you reach the desired location, release the mouse button and voila! Your text should now be positioned where you intended. It's a quick technique that allows for flexibility and is great for users who prefer a visual approach. Moving on to the second method, copy and paste, which is another indispensable tool in the Word document editing toolkit. This is especially useful when you want to duplicate text or relocate it within different sections of the document. Start by highlighting the text you want to move or copy, similar to the drag and drop method. Once highlighted, right-click and select Copy from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the section of the document where you'd like this text to appear. Right-click again and select Paste. Just like that, you've copied your text into a new location. This method is perfect when dealing with larger documents or when working with multiple windows or applications. And there you have it, folks. Those are two simple ways to manage text positioning in Word, through the drag and drop method or the trusty copy and paste function. Both are straightforward, yet each has its unique context where it shines. Try them out and see which fits best for you. Thanks for tuning into this quick guide on working with text in Microsoft Word. I hope you found these techniques as helpful as I have, and remember, practice makes perfect. Apply these methods, and soon enough, your document editing will be more efficient and enjoyable. Until next time, happy typing.